Okay, so good day, sir. So I am Rolando C.P. Jr. and this is my laboratory 3, which is the behavioral design pattern. So my system, sir, is called this one a smart home system that combines three behavioral design patterns, which is the observer, strategy, and command. So I will show you the UML and the live demonstration of my code. Okay, so here is my UML class diagram for my system, sir. So on the right side, sir, you see the observer cluster, so which is the sensor is a subject and it notifies observers. Display and thermostat are two concrete observers that implement observer that update, and the sensor exposes set temperature, register, unregister, and notify observers. So in the middle, sir, as you can see, this is the strategy cluster. So thermostat, ginagamit siya for a heating strategy interface, and concrete strategies, eco strategy, and comfort strategy implement apply thermostat sensed temperature. So the thermostat can switch strategies at runtime via this set strategy. So on the left side, sir, makita po niyo madali ang command cluster. So remote control is the invoker. Command is the interface, and a turn on command and a turn off command are the concrete commands that sila ang mag-operate sa device receiver. So the invoker calls execute without knowing command internals. This UML reflects the Java sources in SRC and shows the main operations or relationship na gamitin ko in the demonstration. So next, we proceed to the code demonstration. So I'll highlight the key files that implement each pattern. So first, we have the subject.java. So this subject defines register, unregisters, and notify observers. And we have the observer.java that defines update, int, temperature. And the sensors, we have the sensors.java that stores observers and calls notify observers inside set temperature and inside set temperature. And we have the display.java that prints the current reading, and we have the thermostat. We have the thermostat that receives the update and uses a heating strategy to decide a set point. Okay, so next we have the heating strategy.java. So this is implemented by eco strategy and comfort strategy. So thermostat that update thermostat that update is delegates to the current strategy. So behavior changes by swapping the strategy instance at runtime. Okay, so next we have the command.java. So command, it's gonna encapsulate niya ang device request. And we have the turn on and turn off command that call device that on or off respectively. And we have the remote control.java. Gina-store niya ang command and gina-execute niya when press button is called. Okay, so this main class orchestrates everything in the demo. So you'll see each pattern in action when I run it. So now I will compile and run the demo. I will use PowerShell in the SRC folder. So this is my output of my smart home system. So when the sensors temperature change to 18 degrees Celsius, the sensors notified all registers observers. So you can see two display instances printing the temperature, and the thermostat receive the update. So because of the thermostat was set to eco strategy, it applied an energy saving policy and set the set point to 17 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we changed the thermostat strategy, as you can see this, to comfort strategy at runtime, and then set the temperature to 16. So the thermostat called the comfort strategy and choose a warmer set point into 22 degree Celsius. So the thermostat code didn't change, only the strategy object changed. So finally, the remote control executed turn on command and turn off command on the device. So this demonstrates the command pattern the invoker calls execute, and concrete command perform the action on the receiver. So you can see this living room light is now on, and living room, if press remote button and turn light off, so the living room light is now off. So that's all.